Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Ma'am, your voice is a little feeble. If you can increase the
Just
volume.
just wait.
Yeah.
Now is it okay?
Yeah,
Hello?
it seems all right. Yeah. Am I
Yes.
audible?
Yes, you are audible and visible, Postman.
Okay, okay, great.
Yes.
So, how are you doing, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you, ma'am, for asking. How about you?
I am good. Thank you for asking me. So, we are meeting for the first time. So, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Saraswati. I hail from Uttar Pradesh. As for my
Mm-hmm.
education, I have graduated in Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Education. Apart from
Mm-hmm.
that, I also pursued certification in web designing and
Mm-hmm.
worked for 15 years on one
Mm-hmm.
particular software, which is Photoshop. But
Mm-hmm.
during pandemic, I quit my job. Currently, I
Mm-hmm.
am a homemaker and
Mm-hmm.
running my YouTube channel. There, I upload conversational videos. Yeah, that
Okay,
is little bit
that's
about
great.
this. Yeah,
That's
thank you.
great. Wonderful, ma'am. You have certificates. You have so many certificates, and you have different form of experiences. That's great to know.
Yeah, thank you. Yes.
Okay. And what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time nowadays, as I'm learning this language, so only
Hmm.
I do these types of activities. But
Mm-hmm.
my hobbies are cooking, playing
Mm-hmm.
badminton, dancing
Okay.
also. But
Okay.
nowadays I only spend time for learning English.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So to give
Yeah.
company to your daughter.
Yes. Yes.
All right.
Ma'am, will
That's
you please
great.
introduce yourself also?
Yes, I will. I will. My name is Meghna Manjunath. I hail from a city called Mysore, which is in Karnataka. That's about me.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
So, what brings you to our platform, ma'am? Are there any particular challenges that you're facing in terms of the language, or do you want to generally improve upon this language?
Actually, as I told, I have my YouTube channel. I
Mm-hmm.
created my channel 2 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Previously, I only upload grammar portion, and
Mm-hmm.
after that, uh, I realized that if I want to speak this language, so I will have to indulge in these types of activities. So I
Hmm.
started communication with
Hmm.
learners like me
Hmm. Hmm.
on different platforms.
Mm-hmm.
So there I found that means there is no one to correct me. Because
Hmm.
of that, I joined English CRE. Yeah.
Okay,
And
okay,
reason
great,
behind that,
wonderful. Hmm.
means I'm learning this language only for my passion and great passion. And this passion was since my childhood.
Mm-hmm.
But now I am at home. I have free time, so I thought that it's a good time to work on my communication skills. Yes.
Wonderful. So you are not only helping yourself, but you're also trying to help others through your YouTube channel.
Yes, ma'am.
That's great, wonderful. I
Yes.
appreciate this concept. That's good.
And along
All.
with that, other thing is when I go to my daughter's school, so
Hmm.
mostly in parents meeting. So now I want to
Hmm.
communicate with them in English only. Because of
Hmm.
one reason is that also if I learn this language well and if I can speak this language, so I can communicate anyone when I go outside.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So, just one observation, ma'am. There are a couple of words which require slight pronunciation work from your end.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So, I'll just put these words here and I would want you to say it loudly. Okay. And then I'll tell you how it can be
Okay.
pronounced. Right? Yeah. Could you check your chat box, please?
Yes. Parent.
Okay. So it is parents. PA. We keep it short. We don't elongate it. We go parents.
Parent.
Parents. Much better. Yes.
Parent.
Okay. The next word. Could you try this?
Means.
Okay. So means, but not with Z,
Means.
right? Yes. It
Means.
ends with S. So you can focus on the sound of the letter S,
Okay.
right? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
The next one.
Communicate.
Okay, it's not communicate because now when you're saying it, it's giving the sound of the letter K, even though
Okay.
it is C, right? So we go
Okay.
communicate. Could you try that?
Communicate.
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 Much better. Okay.
Oh, yes,
All
yes.
right. Great. So you can focus on the sound of the letters
Mm-hmm.
to change the pronunciation and improve upon it. Because a
Okay,
lot
yes.
of times, what happens, a lot of our learners struggle with the S letter,
Yes.
irrespective of whether it begins with S or it ends with S or if it is in the middle, right?
Mm-hmm.
So they may
Yes.
end up giving Z sound,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
So that's
Yeah.
absolutely normal. That's okay. But
Yes.
with practice and
Yes.
focusing on the sound of the letters, you will
Okay. Yeah.
see the
Yeah.
change.
Definitely, I will follow. Yes.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
All right. So we have a very interesting topic today for our session. If food had personalities, what if food
Yes.
had personalities? Quite an interesting one. So we're going to play a small game.
Yes.
Okay, so I would suggest you to head to the second page of the notes, ma'am, and you are going to see there are four images.
Yeah.
So, what you will be doing is, I want you to take a look at the first image starting from the left, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And you have to create some funny dialogues or what they could be saying to each other. You're going to guess, right?
Means saying to each other means all four.
Yeah. So we
Okay.
have four images, and as you can see, it shows each food item has an expression that
Yes.
it is showing, right? So,
Yes.
based on the expressions, I want
Mm-hmm.
you to come up with some funny dialogues or the conversation what they may be having with each other.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So,
Okay.
let's start with
I
the
never
first
played
top
this type
left.
of activity, but today I will try. Yes.
Wonderful. Yes, we are going to do it together. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
All
Yeah.
right. Yes. So, shall we begin?
Yes. 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 Sure.
Okay. Okay. So, let's start with the first one. What do you think? Looking at their expression, how do they look to you? So, let's go with the basics. Are they looking happy? Are they looking sad? Are they, how is their expression?
Not. They are not happy.
Hmm. True.
They are
They're
not
not
happy.
happy.
Yes.
Yes. So, how do
Uh,
they look to you?
they are looking like they surprised.
Okay. Or how about nervous? They seem nervous, isn't it?
Yes, nervous and surprised also.
Ah, okay. True. Or
Yes.
is it surprised or shocked?
Shocked, not surprised. Shocked.
Ah,
Shocked.
shocked.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
the two words, surprise versus shock, right? Surprise versus shock. Now, it's very obvious that when somebody is shocked, their
Mm.
expression is even more different,
Yes.
right? Their eyes lit
Yes.
up, right? And they may
Yes.
freeze when they're shocked,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Surprised has a similar reaction, but in the end, it could also mean that they were very happy, right? For example, somebody surprises you, and there
Yes.
is a difference, right? Somebody surprising you, somebody giving you some sort of a shock or a
Yes.
shocking news,
Yes.
right? Okay,
Yes.
great, wonderful. So now that we have arrived at the expression that they are having,
Yes.
what could be the dialogue? what could they be saying to each other? Okay, I want you to try, ma'am. That's why. So
Okay,
I'll give you.
okay,
So okay. So I'll give you a clue. See,
okay,
you have the freedom to create the dialogue between
okay.
them. Okay, there
Between
is no
them.
restriction. Now that we have guessed their reaction or emotion, based on
Yes,
that, you can create the dialogue, what they may
yes.
be having, or they what they could be saying to each other. So they're looking shocked, right? And it is
Yes,
food. It is a food item.
yes.
Hmm.
Maybe a potato
Huh.
told them,
Huh.
means you are, means the people like to, children like to love to eat you, but
Huh.
after eating you,
Huh.
they were, means got lots of diseases and they got obesity and all. Because of
Okay.
that, they
Okay.
got shocked.
Okay, good. That was a good attempt. Excellent. Yes.
Yes,
Maybe one of them gave the shock to the other one, like a shocker news, saying that you
yes,
are of no good use. Different images, right? So the
yes,
communication, what is happening within that one image,
yes, yes.
right?
Now I got.
Okay,
And the
great.
second one is potato.
Huh.
One is
Yeah.
very
Hmm.
happy, and the
Okay,
second
correct.
one is sogged, uh,
Sogged.
sogged.
Okay. Could
Surprised,
you could you repeat that word? Sogged.
shocked, shocked,
Shocked. Shocked. Okay. So
and
shocked. Hmm.
oh, one
Is
is
it
telling
shocked?
that people love to eat me,
Mm-hmm.
but
Mm-hmm.
it's at the same time you have a bad news too. After eating potato,
Hmm.
people get means
Hmm.
um, obesity and fat,
Hmm.
full of calories. You have
Obesity and could you repeat that word?
obesity,
No, after
obesity,
obesity, the word.
obesity.
You can continue, ma'am. Hmm.
Yes,
Okay. Is it shocked or does it look disinterested? The potato. The
mm,
one
it's
of the
happy.
potato is happy,
Yes,
but the other one, does it really look shocked or does it look disinterested? Have you heard the term disinterested?
disinterested. Yes, I heard.
Yes. So does it
Yes,
look disinterested to you
disinterest.
when
Yes,
someone is not interested, right?
yes, 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 yes.
Disinterested. They may not say that they are not interested, but their expression speaks it,
Expression is yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. So disinterested. Now that we know how they are, one seems happy, one seems disinterested. Now, could you change what they may be saying to each other?
Yes, they maybe say that yes,
Hmm.
people love to eat me, and because
Mm-hmm.
of that, he is happy. And he
Hmm.
told that to the another one, but
Hmm.
people have no interest to eat a lot.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, great. Wonderful. Good try. All right. Let's head to the third one now.
Mm.
So, what does that look to you? What is it called?
Corn,
It's yes, sweet corn.
corn, sweet corn.
Sweet
Yes,
corn, right? So, there are two
yes.
sweet corns. Okay. So, how does the expression look to you? Corn, which is on the left. How does
Yes.
it look to you? I'll give you a clue. It does not,
Sad,
uh, sorry,
sad. No.
sad. Okay. Yeah, it cannot be sad, right? Because if it was
Mm.
sad, it would have teary eyes, or
Yes.
it's very evident that it is sad, right?
Mm.
But this is another emotion which we show a lot of times when we may see something that we never hope to see it.
Angry.
Okay. Does it look angry though? The one on the left.
No, no, he is not
Huh.
angry. Another
Huh.
expression, I'm not getting the
Huh.
proper word for that.
Scared. Scared.
Here,
How about
okay.
scared? Scared, right?
But
It
yes,
looks,
yes,
yes,
here,
scared.
here,
Scared.
here.
Scared. Or
Hmm.
you could even say terrified.
Terrified, yes,
Terrified. Right?
yes.
Yes. I put it in the chat box for your reference. Scared or terrified.
Yes,
Right?
here are, yes, here are terrified, yes.
Okay, great. So now we have cracked the emotion of one sweet corn. What about the other one? How does it look to you? Looking at it
Mm.
and getting scared. Could you
Rebuke,
spell that?
R-E-B-U-K-E,
R.
R-E-B-U-K-E.
Okay. Rebuke. You mean to
Means
say
scold,
revoke? You
revoke
mean
or scold,
cold?
scolding.
Scold. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Scolding. Or could we say that he's basically scaring the other one, isn't it?
yes, yes,
if you
caring.
if you if you look at its mouth and the way the teeth are
Yes,
standing out,
yes,
right, looks more like a
yes,
demon, isn't it?
yes,
Right.
yes, yes,
Okay, so what could be the conversation here, now that we know, now that we have guessed their
yes.
emotion or reaction?
One is terrified and another is
Hmm.
scaring to others.
Okay.
So
Fun dialogue or
don't eat
conversation.
dialogue, don't eat popcorn, it's too costly.
Okay.
And go for watching movies mostly.
Okay. Or maybe he could scare him by saying, um, by revealing the actual price of a popcorn pack,
Yes, yes,
right?
yes,
So then the reality hits in his
yes,
face,
yes, yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Okay, right. All right, great. Okay, let's
And
head to the next one. What do they look to you? What are these two characters in the fourth image that we see?
two characters are one is burger
Okay.
and another is cold drink,
Mm-hmm.
soft,
Okay.
so, yes,
Soft drink. Soft drink.
soft drink, yes, soft drink.
Right? Hmm.
Um,
Okay. What expression do they have?
I think their expression is also
Hmm.
shocking,
Okay. Shocked. Right?
soft,
But
yes,
it's not to a great extent.
yes,
Right?
that not, yes, yes.
Yeah. It's not completely shocking. So which is the other word that we could use?
Shocking.
We had just used it actually. We can interchange it. Remember, ma'am, you
Surprise,
used.
surprise,
Yes, yes, correct.
surprise.
Now we
Yes.
can use surprised, right?
Okay. Yes.
Because
Yes.
the extent to which they don't really seem shocked,
Hmm.
right? In comparison
Yes.
to the first image and the third image character.
Yes.
Okay? All right. So now that we have guessed their emotion and reaction, what
Hmm.
could be the conversation that they're having?
Eating us stopped
Hmm.
eating because
Hmm.
our boss increased the prices.
Okay. 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 All right. So, considering the boss has increased the prices,
No one loved to
nobody,
eat us.
yeah, nobody wants to consume them. Could we use the word consume?
Consume. Yes.
Consume, right? Because
Yes.
consume could mean eating or drinking. And
Okay.
considering both can happen here in the same image,
Yes. Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
Eating and sipping
Yes.
or
Yes.
drinking can happen,
Yes. Yes.
right?
Got.
So we can
Yes.
say consume. Okay, great, wonderful, good attempt, ma'am, I must say.
Yes. Thank you. Because I
uh,
never played these types of activity before. Anyone.
yes,
Yeah.
Yes. So it was a good change for you, I hope.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Now I
all right.
will means, take care of, because in our
Huh.
WhatsApp there are lots of faces, no? And
Ah.
whenever this comes, so I always tell my daughter, Shreya, which type of expression now we have to say.
Yes,
Yes,
exactly.
yes,
Yes,
yes, yes,
yes. Because there are so many emotions and reactions, right? And all
yes,
of them have a word for it.
yes,
And they are quite different,
yes,
right? Okay,
yes,
great.
yes.
Now, what I would like to ask you is they say good food is a good mood. What's your take on it?
Ma'am, will you please repeat your question again?
Yes, I will. What is your take on it? By take on it, I mean your opinion. Do you
Uh,
agree to it? Do you disagree to it? Whatever is your opinion, why and how?
yes, in my perspective, good
Hmm?
food has good mood because and
Hmm.
it depends on our taste also, because
Okay.
every people have different tastes.
Hmm. Okay.
Like some people prefer some junk food, so for
Hmm.
them junk food is good mood for
Hmm.
them. And some
Hmm.
people only prefer to have means light foods or
Hmm.
salads. So for
Hmm.
them, they these are good food for them.
Hmm.
It depends
Hmm.
on person to person, we can say.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So, what is your idea of good food, which creates a good mood for you?
Good mood, as if we are in celebration mood.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that time we prefer mostly fried items,
Mm-hmm.
and junk food also we prefer.
Hmm. Okay.
And normal in our day to day life, we prefer only light foods,
Hmm.
or we can say that simple foods.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes,
Simple food, as in you mean to say home cooked food?
home cooked food. Yeah, food.
Hmm.
Yes, home
Home
cooked
cooked
food.
food,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yes.
Okay, great. So it depends on the occasion. Could we use the word occasion?
Occasion.
Occasion, right?
Yes,
Occasion
yes,
could refer to festivals or any life events, right? Life events
yes,
would be anniversaries,
yes,
birthdays, right?
yes, yes.
Okay, great. Wonderful. So you seem to be having combination of good and not so good sort of
Yes,
food.
yeah, yes.
Okay. What about your daughter or children if you
I
have?
have a daughter. Yes.
Okay, a daughter. All right.
She
Hmm.
also sometimes
Hmm.
prefer to eat means outside food or
Hmm.
junk food.
Hmm.
Otherwise, whatever I make at home,
Hmm.
I see also she prefers to eat that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So so she follows what you do, I suppose.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, that's great. So that
Yeah.
makes it easier for a mother, I'm sure.
Yes, yes. And even I mostly cook everything at
Huh.
home.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, so you are someone who picks up recipes and makes it at home.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Great, ma'am. So, couple of observations, right? So,
Yeah.
first thing is we don't say foods, we say food.
Food. Yes, yes.
Yes, we say
Yeah.
food, right?
Food. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. And we don't say every people because people is plural form, right?
Mm.
Every
Yes.
person, or you could say individual,
Mm.
right? I'll share it with you for reference. Every people is incorrect. We would start people have different taste, we could say.
Mm.
We would not add
People.
every.
Okay.
People have different taste. People
Mm.
have different opinion about it, we would say, right?
Oh, yes.
Every
Yeah.
individual, every person.
Mm.
Or rather, we say each individual, each person. That would
Mm.
be correct.
Yes.
Each individual has a different taste,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. And we don't say good food